Hey there, Michael Fentner here. Back doing another cooking video. I had a number of people recently saying, I really like your cooking videos, why don't you do another one? So, what the hell? Let's give this one a try. I'm going to call this stir fry for one. You're hungry and you want something quick and nothing really huge. So what I am doing, I've got this pork chop that I got from Kroger's, whatever. They were like 10 for 10 bucks. I think that's probably close to $1 a piece. I don't know, I'm not a mathematician. Then so I've got that, and these are my vegetables. Got about 1/4 of an onion. I have some of these, I bought these little mini peppers. So I've got orange, red, and yellow peppers. Got some frozen peas and carrots, which I've really learned to appreciate. I've got some rice. It's going to be pork fried rice. And these are the other ingredients. I've got olive oil, some sesame oil for flavoring, everything bagel seasoning. Got this Bakken's Japanese hot and spicy barbecue sauce, some pepper. I've got some curry powder, and I've got good old MSG. I remember it was bad, and I guess it's not, and it really adds like a little bit of additional flavor to you. So I've already prepped this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the pork chop into strips, and then I will season it a bit, and then we'll get it into the pan. So I cut them into, maybe 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch strips here, and then right over there. And then I like to add a generous amount of curry powder to it. I'm a big fan of Indian food. This isn't really hot, but it gives it a really nice flavor. Put some of that on there. We put a little bit of accent. And I'll put some freshly ground pepper. And so then I'm going to go over there. I'm going to get the oil heated up, and I'm going to get the pork in there. So I'll see you over there. Okay, like I said, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to heat up some olive oil here in the pan. Just give it a little glug there, as they say. And let's get it just warmed up a little bit. And then I'm going to put the pork chops into the oil. And then I'll give it covered up. Let it cook for a bit. And I'll get my other vegetables and stuff ready here. Take a close-up of that cooking in the pan here. Put this down, I'll flip this around. Cook a little bit more, so that should be fine. All right, let's add the vegetables. Cook these up all together. Put a little more flavoring on here. Pepper. Some MSG. I'm going to cover this for now. I'm going to let the vegetables kind of steam and cook. I'm going to add some of this sauce here. I've been using this a lot. It's really good on eggs. It's good. I even use it in wonton soup. I'll squirt some in there. I've been using that rather than soy sauce or teriyaki sauce. It's a really nice flavor. Let the peppers and onions cook down a bit, and then I'm going to put in the carrots and peas. Okay, I think we're just about ready to cook up the peas and carrots. I find I get the best flavor if I put the carrots in first. No, that's a bunch of bullshit. I'm just fucking with you. Stir that in there. That all cooked up. Okay, now it's time to add the rice. About half a cup of rice I have going on here. And now I'm going to give it a little bit more sauce, as well as some sesame oil for flavor. You want to use sesame oil to fry in, but it gives food a really nice flavor. I think I probably overdid it there. We'll stir that up. And then I'm going to take some of this Everything Bagel seasoning, which is a big fan of that too. I put that on my eggs along with Japanese barbecue sauce. Put some of that on there. And we're gonna give it a stir, cover it up, and we are just about done. Okay, there you have it. This is pretty much done. I'll put some into a bowl here. I've made quite a mess, haven't I? At any rate, here is the pork stir fry. And for dessert, earlier in the day I had some raspberries that were on the cusp of being a little too overripe. So I put them in a little pan and I stirred them up with some sugar, a little bit of water. And then I mixed up some cornstarch and water to kind of thicken it up. So I'm going to be serving this on top of vanilla ice cream after I eat this. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Maybe I'll do more, maybe not. If anybody wants to maybe do one, send it to me. I can package it up and post that too. Anyhow, let's have a taste. Oh, that's good. Hello. Mmm.